with Lalo Resco's improvement. Eliarina still there. But they'll have to deal with
her name earlier, our MVP of the match, that's Avril Bronze, someone that FEU really has to watch out for.
Pendon with a jump serve. Capitalized there by IA David. Running attack from Mitzi Panangin. Angge Poyos. Nice pick up there from the back.
Good defense by Soplico.
Yeah. Petalyo rin. That's the thing. If you're going up against FEU, it's like you're going up against two liberos, given how well Petalyo does from the back. May Coronado. Buhay pang bola for FEU. Panangin is rejected and denied by May
Petalyo from the back. Also known for her floor defense and high leaping abilities.
Poyos under with the lead, 6-5. That play brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Our Way, Our Rules. Download the app now.
Perfect.
Napayungan that time si IA David. From the pipe, Sai Sagula elevates and detonates.
Coming from that set by Cassie Carvalho, blocker just late there. That was Panangin.
Petalyo, nandoon si Sai Sagula. Reverse set, Balingit, cross court. Tinarget si Pendon and she scores.
Good target by Balingit.
Pepito, it's still a journey adapting to Coach Shaq as their new head coach, and the adjustments are also piling up. Setter to spiker communication is a big factor that their team captain.
Pala, no? Iya David. Well, she's made quite a name for herself here for FEU so far. Siya yung focus dun sa timeout na yun. May Coronado, nagawa ng paraan.
Coronado with a...
And iba rin din yung atake ni Coach Shaq. Although, syempre, tagal na rin nilang magkasama ni Coach Kung Fu. Pero iba dami rin pumasok na ibang players. Now by 7, you see that attack from Julia Balingit.
Balingit doing a great job.
This pass from Pepito. 1-2 play attempt from Carvalho. Cassie. Ops to go to Sai Sagula. And safe to say that was...
I'm going down the line. Perfect set as well coming from Carvalho.
This spike is brought to you by... Ooh! An ace from Jers Petal.
With as well on that service deck and right on that Pepito zone as well.
Serve. Avril Bron.
Bron making her presence.
Iya David. Cassie chooses Angge. Nice choice.
And lower sets for Angge Poyos. And of course, Poyos knowing exactly where to place that.
Ball still in play. Jurado guides it over.
Classic red.
Jurado cross court. Nandoon si Ubaldo for the pickup. Pendon. Jurado. Poyos was sent back to the friend zone.
Panangin, that tandem just closing down and solidifying that wall for FEU.
This block is brought to you by Perry Perry. Panangin is the one in the middle. What a save from FEU.
Good defense by FEU.
Tug up by Ali De Bosora from the back. Jurado. Nandoon si Panangin. Poyos. Nagawa ng paraan.
Poyos finding the hand. Good dig.
Nicely done from Poyos. Jers Petalyo crossing it over. Coronado, nandoon sa likod si Panangin. Loresco. Poyos again. Tumatrabaho sa likod. Jurado, nandoon si Ramos. Pero hindi na niya maiaangat ng maayos.
Again, Reg Jurado with a setup from Carvalho. What a tough angle for this girl.
They manage Fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. Agad nakapuntos para team with a 1-point lead. Naitawid. Ace pa yung nakuha doon ni Bless. 3 UST. Wahe. Altea was sent back. Free ball for FEU. Loresco with a power tip.
Knowing where that empty spot will be.
The list goes on and on. Curado off speed. Devosora gets set to go.
Eliza Unity Cup. Now, Eliza Devosora has the determination to bounce back in today's game. She mentioned how she was thinking that this game was really for them to take, especially because they came from a loss against Adamson. She mentioned being exhausted as well because of their schedule that has been very tight as of recent, with midterms, games, trainings, all happening all together. It has been a challenge to balance all aspects of life, but maintains a
Ramos. Quick to Loresco. Arasan galing sa likod naman. Free ball for UST. Running attack. Barga Altea with a diagonal hit.
Arlene Wahe on that perfect set for her.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Art.
Altea.
Devosora. It's in. Smart play from Arlene Wahe.
Crafty Davao and Cebu, actually, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Hoping their families are safe back home.
Arasan, susubok. Papasok yan.
Arasan.
Inangat. Curado. Remailon picking it up. Frenchie. Sweeping in was Escobar. And Blessing Onekwe with a quick attack.
Onekwe says, good save by Escobar. And a perfect setup by Wahe.
UST capitalize again. Combination play, Jurado. Buntik ng mahulog. Escobar. One hand set by Wahe to Blessing Onekwe.
Onekwe.
Red Jurado. Buhay pa. Nicely done from Suplico. Sa gitna, Onekwe ulit.
Of course, a perfect.
Red Jurado.
Good pick up there by Ramos.
UST a chance to take the lead. Arasan breaking through the block.
Arasan.
Trailing by 4 earlier, they've managed to rack up 5 unanswered points. Make that 6. Sent back. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Kyle Pendon.
Continues to serve. Nicely done. Ramos setting up Mitzi Panangin.
Quick attack.
Cool play brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. Pepito nandoon to pick it up. Jurado with a cross-court kill.
Coming from this girl, back set by Arlene Wahe, and she punches that ball through Lorette. But I think she heard us and was able to score a point there.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. (23-18). Supalpal, inamot. Is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
And Poyos. Back-to-back blocks for Marga Altea.
Ball at the net. And UST on a rampage. Closing out this set. They take over set number 2, 25-8.
Loresco, rather. Playing middle here in the third set.
Poyos breaks through the block.
EU, that was well timed on Angge Poyos.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri. Cassie to Avril Braun, who emerges in the middle. Carvalho pops it up. Red Jurado with a quick attack.
Down the line.
Oh, si Althea ulit.
Side of UST and all three blocks coming from Marga Althea.
Itinawid. Pagkakataon para sa UST. Combination play. Executed to perfection for FEU. Nice sharp serve from Loresco. Jurado gets it across and in.
Red Jurado stops the bleed.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
Coming from an underhand set by Detet Pepito.
Good serve. Marga Althea. Nonchalant.
Again with a block party for UST.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal. Nice pass from Gula. Running attack. Althea drills that one in.
That's her offense or defense at the net.
Getting it across. Demosora. Poyos there to pick it up. Pinalo ni Gula. Cross-court hit.
It's too much for Sopli.
Cassie to Angge from the back. Angge Poyos. She will score. Ball still in play. Cassie, reverse. Red Jurado will score.
Jurado taking charge.
Spike is brought to you by Potato Corner. World's best flavored fries. Order now.
Back set from
18-11. Oh, the block!
goal shot as Poyos was there to deny the attacker at the net.
Enthusiasm from the bench of UST.
Again, a block party for UST.
Cassie Carvalho to Red Jurado. Oh! Nagkatinginan na lang dun sa pag- Combination play attempt. No dice there. The hammer from Angge Poyos.
Faulty reception from FEU.
Arlene Wahe. Malingit, sent back. Poyos on the left pin. Suplico to Devosora is blocked.
Soplico set underhand set to Devosora.
It was Malingit who got to that one.